Hello, welcome back to our channel HardReset.Info. In this video, let's discuss how to pay with Apple Pay without internet. So the good news are that you can pay with Apple Pay in stores without an internet connection because it uses NFC, which stands for Near Field Communication, in order to communicate with the contactless reader. To make a payment, you have to double-click the side button on your iPhone, which is on the right side, to activate Apple Pay. Then you want to authenticate with your Face ID or your passcode. And then you want to hold the top of your iPhone near the reader and wait for done checkmark to appear on your screen, which indicates successful transaction. Additionally, Apple Pay works even in airplane mode, but of course you will not be able to view recent transactions until you reconnect to the internet. So that's it. I really hope that this video helps you, and if so, please like this video and subscribe to our channel to see more content like this.